There they go, there they go, there they go. Gracie, Gracie! 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 Gracie!
Oh my god.
Buttercup, that's not nice. Buttercup, you're naughty. Oh, there she goes. She's dragging him in the pool.
No, the guy, he was crossing the road. Jump off. Oh, I got the one that fell. No. Let's try, let's try. Damn it, come here, come here, come here. Oh, yes, we'll get you, we'll get you now. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Yes, this will be the next game, yeah. Yes. Oh. Go get her.
Otherwise he tries to get her on the sides.
Get on it. No, she'll pop it with her claws.
She won, I had her on her. Get
Hi everyone, today I will be doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I have been nominated by Ashley Claude, and I nominate Tristan Samsung, Tyler Claude, and Tim Claude. Don't forget to donate.
Ready?
Here we go.
Good luck. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Cody Bunn for nominating me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Ali Salim, Kenny Rosica again since he hasn't done it, and my brother James Arundale. So here it goes.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, get out!
Get it, girl.
Catch a fish. Come on.
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
There's a Facebook photo. Look at this dog. That was smart. That was a good one. Yeah, do that again. That was funny.
Chloe! Jump, jump, goose! Come on. Come on, Shay. Oh, you just got a jump. Look, we got these two up here. They made it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, nice.
These are the seagulls down here. Wait, please. Hello, seagulls. What's this? Oh, God.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Put the cabinet toy in there. That would be funny. We put in a toy and she would come and jump in and play with it. Should we put in
I wanted to walk there. She's going along the back.
Should we
There's
put
no
a
way
little
she'll
cup?
make it.
Should we
She'll
put
slide
a
right.
little cup in?
Did you get a picture? Okay.
Get it, Brandon.
Here, kid. She's pawing at it. You get it? Get it?
Brady, what is that? Is that a bone in there? Get it. She's blowing bubbles.
Get it? It's wrong. Tell me these dogs ain't Oh!